Right, what's going on, you guys? I hope you're well. So in today's video we're going to be talking about Skool, because I want to open up a 100% free Skool community, no catch or no gimmick whatsoever. So if you want that and you want to be with like-minded people who want to have a business, take care of their health, do self-development and things of such nature, then definitely check out the link in the description, because I'm opening up a email list, and when it's ready, which hopefully should be soon, it's actually going to be ready. So if that interests you, definitely go check that out. And if you enjoyed today's video, subscribe, like, all that sort of stuff. So let's actually jump into the actual computer. Alrighty, so first of all, I just want to make it very transparent that I got this entire idea mainly about the outreach and stuff of Skool through this video called David Hampel. I'm pretty sure he's German. I spoke to him before and he seems like a chill dude. But this is pretty much how it works. Your funnel will pretty much look like this. You want to grab people to your Skool community. And if you don't know what Skool community is, pretty much it is a community where you can have all these people in here. This is Adonis Gang. It's represented by Hamza. This is the free version because you got Adonis Skool, which is his paid program. As you can see, Adonis Gang is very popular. It's got 94,000 members. Pretty much it's sort of like Facebook, where you can post stuff here and you can make different subcategories. You have classrooms, so if you want to, you can actually put in courses in here, or you can make it exclusively to the paid program. So you could put in a free class where you have people like entrepreneurs who want to do self-development and stuff like that. Then eventually you can pass them on to the upgraded version of your Skool program, which is whatever you want it to be, where it's your paid program where you give exclusive access to yourself. But on the free program, it's pretty much set up like so. So this is essentially what I want to do. I want to open up a free Skool community where we can talk and all that sort of stuff, and I want to put in mini courses like this for you. Also, along with a free community, you'll get to be able to speak to a whole bunch of people like is an Adonis Gang. And I also want to put courses in the classroom where you can have access to all of this sort of stuff. So for example, if you want to build a 6-figure formula course, then you can say join, and you can join the paid program. I might open it up for maybe $50 a month. That'd be my plan. So if you are interested in that, or you got any questions about that, put it in the YouTube comments, or you can DM me on Instagram or anything like that. So getting back to the board, you got to do outreach, right? And outreach, I also forgot to add YouTube. So if we just do this, copy this, put this here, and control this, and 5 mistakes are always fun. Then change the type to, no, don't save it. I want you to copy it. There you go. Alrighty, there you go. Now we fixed it. So my plan to do outreach for all the people that are in my community, or my growing community, as you like to call it. Plan is to use YouTube, Instagram, X or Twitter, Facebook, and Skool. So essentially what I do is I create a video and post it on every single platform. Meanwhile, I also represent my Skool community, which is this one here, and it's going to be a absolutely free community. I have to pay, so to make a Skool community, I believe you have to pay $100 a month. So at my expense, I want to open up a free community for you guys. As well as that, I want to eventually funnel it in either a $30 a month subscription or $50 a month subscription for more exclusive access. And within Skool, you also get a paid community with the more premium Skool adaptation. As well as that, I'll be hosting one-on-one coaching, private groups, private group calls, weekly group calls. Full paid courses are accessible because you've signed up with a subscription, and you can actually DM me on Skool if you can't get to me on every other social media. So beyond outreach is pretty much just messaging people. You can message people, I believe, 20 times on Instagram, up to 500 times on X. Facebook, I believe it's 15 or 20 times. Skool, it's a whole bunch of other times. So whoever connects with me through YouTube, Instagram, Twitter or X, Facebook or Skool, I will message them or I will reach out to them and use a content creation funnel, which is pretty much I create content talking about school and I post the same video literally on X, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Then I use a CTA, which stands for call to action, which pretty much means, it depends what you're promoting, but for this I'm trying to promote my free Skool community. So my CTA for each one of these would be create the content about whatever it may be. So for example, I did a video today where I broke down working a job isn't that great and you're capped at 38 hours a week minus your lunch breaks because they don't pay you for that, and you can only make about $1,000 a month and $1,000 a week, and it's, you know, you can't do that much nowadays with $1,000 a week after you pay all your expenses, after you save maybe $200. You're lucky if you have $100 left in your bank and you still got to go buy groceries. So that's not a fun feeling to have, and for me, I want to make more money, so this is essentially my plan. So the same thing gets posted on X, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, the exact same content. So after I made my video, my CTA is always referring back to the Skool community, which is free. Now no one's joined because it's a relatively new thing, and I have to grow my personal brand and everything like that. So whoever joins or wants to join, then definitely hit me up on my socials as well as sign up on the email list. But after you joined here, of course I'll be posting as much valuable content as I can and responding to comments within the free Skool community. But if at a point where this becomes overly filled with people and I can't actually communicate to everybody, I will open up a paid Skool community where it's more exclusive access to me, and like I said, you get all these other bonuses here, and essentially you put this and you put this just on repeat to funnel more people into the free community, and from a free community, as long as you give people immaculate value through your content as well as your Skool community, be interactive with your audience, then the plan is to bring these people from these channels to the $30 a month or $50 a month more premium Skool feature. Then after that, I make money, you guys can learn how to make money, and we can all make money together. And through me earning money, I'm going to teach you the exact same steps that I took to make money. Therefore you can make money and we all win, because money buys happiness. I do not care what you say, it buys happiness. So if you are thinking about making content, honestly just talk about your skills, I would say, and even talk about how you feel about certain situations, because people can relate to that. So for example, if you see something on the news that you think's a bit, I would say, stupid for lack of a better word, you can make a video on that and I'm sure people will respond to you, as well as you can make other content around what you're trying to build. So for example, if you want to do knitting and you want to teach people how to do knitting, you can use this exact same formula, and once again you can outreach to people who connect with your content and bring them to the free Skool community about knitting. And after you got too many people in a free community, you can open up a more premium community about knitting, and this can be applied to essentially anything. So it can apply to dog training, knitting, how to ride a bike, how to do basketball, how to use cameras and angles, lighting, all that sort of stuff. Essentially it can be applied to anything. For me, it's more like entrepreneurial, self-development, make money online sort of stuff. And through my learnings, I will teach you guys. If you guys enjoyed this sort of video, or you wanted to join a free Skool community, then definitely hit me up in the comments, or you can reach out to my social medias. They should be linked down in the description, and we can have a further discussion about this. But don't forget to join that free Skool community where we can talk about business, self-development, anything like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.